welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Supreme Court suggests capping. Goa government accepts capping on ore production. Suggests 45 million tons including fresh and dumps. Protagonists of Romi Kokni rap Devanagari Kokni supporters, call them selfish for opposing awards to the Romi script literature. Sangh gears up to elect Modi as PM, holds meeting of most Hindutva-based organizations. Start working for the cause at least once in a week, advises Bhagwat. Short circuit in LTE line at Bhati Shiroda damages television sets and electrical equipments. Around 30 houses feel the shock. And sports administrators feel postponing Lusophobia games will help in creating flawless infrastructure. Now news in detail. Supreme Court has suggested capping on mining of iron ore in Goa. Goa government has accepted capping on production and has suggested 45 million tons per year. This includes fresh ore and dumps. Supreme Court has questioned Goa government about the basis on which Goa government has arrived at the figure of 45 million tons. Meanwhile, CEC has criticized Goa government for providing insufficient data.
Hearing of Goa mining matter resumed from Tuesday in the Supreme Court. CEC continued with its argument in the morning session. Central Empowered Committee criticized Goa government for providing insufficient data. CEC tried to explain the mining ratio between Karnataka and Goa. CEC argued about the demarcation of mines and ore excavating limit. CEC finished its session by afternoon. Later, Goa government started its arguments. Advocate Dattar presented the case on the behalf of Goa government. Government highlighted loopholes in the Shah Commission report. Supreme Court later questioned Goa government. What was the compelling reason to suspend mining in September when you say substantial steps were taken to regulate mining in Goa? Supreme Court has suggested Goa government that there is need of capping iron ore production. Court has asked Goa government the basis on which they have arrived at the figure of 45 million tons. Goa government will reply to this query on Wednesday. Goa government has suggested to appoint an organization like National Environment Research Institute to decide on the capping capacity of ore production. Goa government will continue arguments on Wednesday. MOEF, Mining Ministry and mine owners will be heard by the Supreme Court after that. Meanwhile, sources inform that National Green Tribunal team will visit Goa on Wednesday. They will verify the volume of extracted iron ore in the state. Collector has issued a note to all the deputy collectors to carry out necessary surveys. With Bureau Inputs, reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Protagonists of Romi Kokni have rapped Goa Kokni Academy President Pundlik Naik for his script-based remarks. Tomazin Cardozo said Naik's statement proves that protagonists of Devanagari Kokni want to suppress Romi. Meanwhile, Vishnu Vagh has launched a salvo on Pundlik Naik by calling his remarks as selfish.
It's Dalgad Kokni Academy, Jagtik Kokni Sangathan, Romi Lipi Action Front and Theatre Academy Goa versus Goa Kokni Academy. Romi Kokni protagonists are highly offended with Pundlik Naik's remarks against Special Literary Award declared to literature in Romi Kokni.
की आमचे सगळ्याचे जो डिसिजन कला अकादमीन घेतला विष्णू वाघान घेतला ताचे आम्ही पुराय समर्थन करतात आणि जे कित करपाचे लोकमत तयार करपाचे आम्ही लोकांक हाडटले देवनागरी लिपीतले लोकच ते करण्याचे आशिल्ले तांणी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावन रोमी लिपी काबार करपा खातीर रोमी लिपी ना नकोत करपा खातीर आणि गोंयची ती नाच करपाचो असो तांचो विचार आशिल्लो आनी म्हाका दिसता की तांकां खर्जत एक कडेन आनी ते खरपिता एक कडेन म्हणटकर हिची फुटीच प्रश्न आसा 1987 ही फूट तेणी घातली खरी फूट देवनागरी लॉबीन घातली.
कोणाक देवनागरी जाय देवनागरी घ्या, कोणाक रोमी जाय रोमी दिया. हांव तांचेर आरोप करता, तांकां तर कोंकणीचो मोग आसा, कोंकणी भास तांकां वयर सरलेली जाय जाल्यार लिपी फाटल्यान धांवो नाकात, भाशे फाटल्यान धांवात.
Organizations hailed Vishnu Wagh's decision of giving awards to Kokani in Romi and other regional books written by Goan authors. Chairman of Kala Academy Vishnu Wagh has shot back at Pundalik Naik.
पुरस्कार दिवपाचो जो निर्णय कला अकादमीन घेतला, हो निर्णय उखलापना, हो निर्णय राजकीय हेतून प्रेरित ना, तर सखोल सारासार विचार करून जो एक मोठो वर्ग आसा त्या वर्गाचे अंतरंग समजून घेवन आम्ही हो निर्णय घेतिल्लो. कोंकणीच्या नावार आपले सवते सुबे निर्माण करपी जे काही लोक आसात त्या लोकांनी आपल्या स्वार्थाच्या आड येता म्हणून आमच्या या निर्णयाक आता विरोध दर्शयला. जर तांचे म्हणणे आसा की रोमी लिपी आणि कोंकणी देवनागरी कोंकणी ह्यो वेगळे करचे न्ही आणि पुस्तक म्हणून एकच कन्सिडर करचे, की जर तांचे अशें लॉजिक आसत जाल्यार तियात्र आणि कोंकणी नाटक हितूनय कसलोच फरक करूंक मेळचो ना. कोंकणी गीत आणि कातार हितूनय कसलोच फरक करपाक मेळचो ना. हो फरक ते कित्याक करतात?
A senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalists Dinesh Karpe and Chetan Gauss.
RSS has pulled its sleeves up to elect Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister. Sarsang Chalak Mohan Bhagwat has appealed the state RSS cadre to work for achieving a target of 200 Lok Sabha seats for the BJP. Bhagwat held a meeting of like-minded Hindutva-based organizations and appealed them to dedicate one day in every week to achieve the cause.
Sangh's initiative to get all the like-minded people together for backing the BJP is in force. RSS chief's Goa visit made it clear again. Many politicians and industrialists, including the Chief Minister of State Manohar Parrikar, witnessed RSS Sar Sanchalak's visit at Margao on Monday. The media did not have an access to this closed-door meet. Sources say Sar Sanchalak Mohan Bhagwat guided members and the pracharaks of the Sangh on the backdrop of forthcoming Lok Sabha polls. Bhagwat has appealed the cadre to work together towards the victory of Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister. He said Modi should lead with more than 200 seats. The message should reach even the well-wishers of the BJP and the RSS. The Sangh chief has asked the BJP and the Sangh to achieve this target together. The plan of RSS chief's visit was kept secret, bearing few senior Sangh leaders. Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik says BJP has been taken over by the RSS and all its organizational functions are performed under the dictate of RSS.
That it is RSS which has taken over BJP in the entire country. All the functions of BJP are performed by RSS. BJP has no authority, including the authority to appoint their own leader. BJP president is decided by RSS. Nitin Gadkari was appointed at the instance of RSS. Rajnath Singh was appointed as the instance of RSS. And whenever conflict arose, it is RSS who decides and they go accordingly.
Pratik Parab and Dishant Parab for Prudent.
The UPA cabinet on Tuesday has cleared an ordinance to reverse the Supreme Court judgment that calls for immediate disqualification of lawmakers convicted of a criminal offence punishable with 2 years or more in jail. National media has reported that the ordinance allows convicted MPs or MLAs to continue if their appeal is admitted by a higher court within 90 days and the conviction stayed. The lawmakers, however, will vote or draw salaries till the case is decided. The Supreme Court had said that lawmakers sentenced to jail for over 2 years will stand disqualified. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.